Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery not charging to 100% on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, sometimes it happens, especially on Samsung devices, that the battery doesn't want to get above, for example, 80 or 95% of the battery, and it simply cannot reach 100%. There's a chance that simply you have the battery limit that is set in the settings and you don't even know about it. To change it, go to settings, then go to battery. Keep scrolling down until you find the battery protection, and there's a chance that this feature is turned on and you have the maximum option selected. For example, now it's set to 80%, so if your device doesn't want to get above 80%, there's a chance that simply you have this limit set. For example, 95, 90, 85 or 80%. If you want to turn it off, simply you can completely turn off the battery protection. But when it comes to me, I'm a bigger fan of the basic battery protection. Simply, when our battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then charging will start again. Let me tell why it's useful. Actually, we can read about it on the screen. Keeping your battery at a full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. Choose an option below to protect your battery and make it last longer. So that is why it's good to select the basic mode for battery protection. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.